Just how the UPS School of Business is organizing the events like Takeoff with Runway really helps founders and young entrepreneurs like us to find a will to its way.
Takeoff provides a unique space where we can come and share the platform with fellow entrepreneurs and learn from their experience.
The way the students can gain from such platforms is that it is instilled in them that they can become an entrepreneur. So whenever they go, in their daily life, they start looking at things, they start looking at problems, start finding solutions. So I think this is where the budding of an entrepreneur starts from.
People understand stories more than they understand facts and data. If you present an idea in the form of a story, people tend to remember it much longer and it appeals to them. The value of appeal is much, much greater than is with presenting statistics and numbers only. These initiatives by UPS and Runway are very, very beneficial for students because many of them have great ideas but they don't have the right exposure. And these platforms actually, they bring together investors and ideas.
I think the event started with high energy. There was a lot of storytelling and intensive practice sessions with respect to getting our pitches ready, which matters a lot. Our decks were obviously a little weak to begin with, but I think we learned a lot from the mentors out here and services. So it's been a very delightful moment, and we'd love to continue having these kind of events so that we learn, we share, and we communicate.